Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix RAM problems, only way. First, power down and unplug your PC, then ground yourself to prevent static damage. Remove and reseat each memory stick, swapping slots to test for bad channels. Boot into BIOS to check memory timing and voltage, and run a memory diagnostic to catch errors. If a stick fails testing, replace it or run single-stick tests to isolate the faulty module. When simple fixes fail, update your motherboard BIOS to the latest stable release to improve memory compatibility and bug fixes. Swap in a single known good RAM module and test each slot to identify a bad DIMM or faulty slot. Use memtest or built-in diagnostics for extended passes to confirm stability. If problems persist across slots with known good RAM, consider checking the CPU memory controller or seeking professional repair help for deeper hardware to avoid future RAM headaches. Handle modules by the edges and avoid touching the contacts. Ensure your case has adequate airflow and cooling to reduce thermal throttling that can cause memory errors. When upgrading, install matched RAM kits for speed and timing compatibility to keep dual or quad channel configurations stable. Finally, monitor system stability after changes and run stress tests to confirm the fixes held, and keep backups of important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.